The E02 error code usually points to an issue with the heating element or thermostat. If the dishwasher has a Zeolith drying system, then it is very likely that you have a problem with the heater of that system. E02 would often suggest an overheat fault or temp sensor out of range. It should be borne in mind that to repair this damage, it is necessary to disassemble the entire dishwasher. In this video, I will show you step by step the disassembly and repair. First, remove side panels. Now detach the door hinges and tensioners. Release the intake hose. Now turn the dishwasher upside down. Release this hoses from the back. Now release the plastic bottom and lift. Release the pins from the sides. Now lift and detach bottom water leak sensor. That was the hard part. We're already halfway there. 1. This is the water heat pump. Need to check. 2. This is drain pump. 3. This is the Zeolith system, blower and heater. To make sure the dishwasher is okay, we need to check all 3 systems. Disconnect all cables and note the locations. The drain pump, it's clean, looks okay. This is the water heat pump. For the E02 to resolve, need to check it. How? See how to check on my YouTube channel. There it's video for this. After you have checked the pumps, it remains to check the Zeolith system, in this case the culprit of E02. Remove the blower and put out the heater element. Need to remove this glass tube too. The new part comes complete. Replace with new one, and assemble back all. All done.